Got Dion on the kayak. What up, D? Drink a beat with D. That boy rolling, boy. Man, it hit different.
Bro.
Oh. Alright, you gonna fall, bro. You about to fall. You got it. You got it. You got it. Oh.
I want to try. That's how I got in the first time. I go like this. Well, not like that, but
Put your foot on the other side.
I got it.
You need to put your weight, not in the middle.
I got my foot in that hole.
Is it stuck?
I got it.
Yeah, you got still moving. There you go.
I got it.
Just remember, all your balance needs to be in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm shaking.
He said, I'm shaking.
That's what I did.
Got D out here with me. Standing up on the kayak. Oh, man.
Never thought we'd see this.
Oh, man, it's going down.
Now I'm gonna sit back down so I can get out somewhere.
Oh, you good? I'm gonna back up.